All right, back on the ratty beater. Yesterday I couldn't get out of the trunk because it got too windy. Need to be able to weld the back without blowing the gas everywhere from the welder. Luckily the car had a jack in it. Originally it's nice and solid too, no rust, and I cut the original brackets off, had them blasted, so now I just need to get measurements to know exactly where everything needs to be. You know, I got the spare tire brackets here I need to put up, the gas tank supports I need to mount, the spare tire hold down. I just need to be able to find a way to get measurements for it. So I'm gonna get back on that here in a minute. I wish I had a nice solid rust-free charger I can just come back and take measurements off of. Preferably RT would be nice. You know, I wish you could just, and it would fucking be here. Sweet. Well, everything's marked and ready to go. The something kind of interesting though is as I was cleaning the area where the spare tire mount's gonna go, I found someone has fucking brazed this panel and returned it, because I seriously doubt that was like that from AMD. So someone has brazed that hole and returned it back to AMD, and I'm just the lucky motherfucker that got it. But you couldn't see it until I cleaned that. So that kind of sucks. And it's right where the weld's got to go too. But anyway, now I can get back on welding this sucker up. I'm just gonna roll with it. Fuck it. I don't feel like cutting that brass out. Plus, once I weld over it, you'll never know it was there anyway. Tack everything in place right now where it's supposed to be. Then I'll go back and weld it. Good thing I'm skinny. I don't know how you fat guys do it. Ooh. Alright, most of the brackets are welded up. We got the spring holder, the retainer for the bumper jack, spare tire mounts. Those are all welded up. Right now working on the rear valence supports. Screwing it in place to make sure it holds. You know, that way it all sucks up all nice and tight and neat. Now, time to weld them up. Well, under the car now to do the last final part. The gas tank supports, or the gas tank strap supports. Yeah, as you can see, that brazed area right there kind of pisses me off, but whatever. It is what it is. Yeah, just need to spray these with copper and weld those bitches on there, and this is done. The only left is caulking and paint. So, yeah, finally. And then I'll show you the inside here in just a second. Alrighty, well, those are done. The probably just go ahead and undercoat this trunk pan. That's so it matches the other one, or the rest of this crap. So, like I said, I want to keep it ratty looking, but you know, somewhat decent on the inside. But yeah, it's all welded in, done, ready to go. Yep. So now that that's all done, just caulking and paint the trunk because it looks like shit being all copper and black. And then the task to go ahead and fix that mess right there. So that's next. See ya.